Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. I've got something special for you guys for my next 10 episodes. I'm going to share 10 easy one pan recipe ideas starting from today. So for 10 days of one pan recipes, first dish is peri-peri chicken and rice. Let's start cooking this beautiful dish. And also if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see the rest of the one pan recipe ideas.
First step is to soak the rice for 30 minutes. I am using 2 cups of Basmati rice. Let's prepare the sauce to marinate the chicken. Into a blender, add onion, garlic, tomato and red chilli. For the spices, I am using 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoon oregano, 2 tablespoon vinegar for tangy and acidic flavor, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar to give the sweetness and balance the heat. To give this paste a runny texture, we are going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of water. Blend them well until it turns into a paste. Mix them with chicken thighs. I have 5 chicken thighs with bones here. You can also use boneless chicken thighs or even chicken breast. Here we have the ingredients list for the rest of the dish. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan and place the chicken pieces. Cook each side until it's golden brown. It takes about 20 minutes to get this golden brown color on both sides. The chicken doesn't have to be fully cooked at this moment because we are going to cook this again later on. Meanwhile, prepare the stock by adding 1 teaspoon of stock powder into 500 ml of water. Set this aside. Once the chicken is golden brown, take them out. Don't remove all this paste. This is going to make our rice flavorful. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and chopped onion and green pepper. You can also use red pepper or both. Give this a good mix and add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Mix them well and cook for about a minute. In goes the soaked basmati rice. Soaking allows the rice to cook faster. Mix well to coat all the spices and add the stock water. Now place the chicken pieces on top, cover the lid and cook this on medium to high heat for 15 minutes. Remember not to mix the rice while it's cooking. This is how it looks after 15 minutes. Close the lid and cook another 15 minutes on low heat. Here we have peri-peri chicken and rice, ready to go, spicy and flavorful. We only need 1 pot to make this dish. Great recipe for either lunch or dinner. Do try and stay tuned for my next one pan recipe.